This session is in continuity to our discussions on charting in Excel, and in this session we're going to learn about how to create 2D bar charts in Excel. Now graphically, the bar charts are just a tilted version of the column charts in Excel, and traditionally they have been used in sales analysis, sales presentations and sales pitches whenever you want to represent what would be the growth of sales over a given span of time. And it is a absolute choice for managers and top level management when it comes to representing data. And so let's just begin with creating one of the bar charts in Excel. And like all charts, the process of creating up a bar chart in Excel begins with selecting the data first. So I'm going to select only one of the products in my data to represent up a bar chart, and then go on to the insert tab, go on to the bar drop down over here, and then click on this button. You can see that it has now very nicely depicted that what would be my sales over a different span of time. And and you can see that this is again a tilted version of the column chart in Excel. In this case, on the x-axis we represent what would be the sales numbers against these months of the year. For example, we can say that for the month of January we have approximately 10,000 sales in number. The exact number is 9700, as you can see in the pop-up over here. For the month of March, you can say that the total number of sales are around somewhere between 15,000 20,000, and the exact number is 17,800. And this is pretty much the case for each and every of the bar chart. Let's just take one more last example. For September, the number is around 20,000 again, the exact number being 19,700. You can see in the legend the blue color is representing the product A, which was picked from this cell as usual. And like we discussed in the preliminary sessions, when we don't select up a chart title, by default it is picking up this value from B3 cell itself, and we can go on and modify this to say sales numbers. So this is how you represent a simple bar chart in Excel. And the later part of this session, we can discuss that how to represent multiple series in the same chart. Say in this case I want to represent two series in my chart. Let's just take three. What if I wanted to represent three different products in the same chart in Excel? So again I begin with selecting the data on which I want to build up my chart, going to the insert tab, clicking on the bar chart over here, then clicking this button, and then you can see sorry for that, then you can see I have this chart presented over here. And now there are three type of different bars in this. The first is a green bar, then the red bar, and then the blue bar. You can see what do they represent by looking at this legend. So the green bar represents the product C, the red bar represents the product B, and the blue represents product A. And you can see the sales numbers for these months across the x-axis. And you can see for the month of January, the green bar is the longest and is approximately of 20,000 sales units, and the red bar is the next highest, and the third bar being the lowest number. So again, the bar chart is very helpful when you want to see a comparison between, say, the sales numbers of multiple products in the same span of time. And it provides it's of quite a use to the senior management and especially the sales managers. So this is about creating up a simple bar chart in Excel. Thank you for watching.